Anyone from the teachers who would like to say something?
Amranyata!
Wag si Paras.
Si Ma'am Amranyata!
Miss B!
Miss B!
Wag si Paras.
Hello!
That's the school! You're the school, Quezon City. Congratulations, especially for the host, Viva! Box 89! We're back, and let's blend together. Every year, we make it a point to be around because you are always in our heart. Beautiful presentation, preparation, very systematic and disciplined. That's it. Vision forever. Let's blend again forever.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And hopefully, you enjoy and sana po, salamat po ang basa kasi. Thank you very much, sir, ma'am. Yes, one line passing tonight, please stay here. That's one picture lang. Guys, passing tonight, dito lang. One lang. One fast, please. Go. Wala tayo oras. So, pagkasawasawa nyo na.
Wala eh.
Who are present here tonight. Thank you very much. And might I say, what a job well done. Alright, as we wait for everybody to settle down, please hang on to your tickets because now it's time for us to raffle off another set of raffle prizes.